Welcome to this 10-minute meditation to practice appreciation towards others. Find a comfortable position, making sure your back is straight, well supported, and without any tension. Rest your arms on your lap in whichever position is comfortable for you, but making sure to keep your hands open and relaxed. Relax your jaw and focus your eyesight straight ahead. At your own pace, take a long, deep breath, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. During your next exhalation, close your eyes. Continue to breathe deeply, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Try to make your breath as long and as gentle as is comfortable for you. At your own pace, bring your breath back to its natural pace. Whenever you are ready, see if you can bring to mind the image of someone you care for deeply. Describe in your mind this person with as many details as you can, as if you are staring at a picture of this person. See if you can describe in your head the various aspects of this person that you deeply respect. Now that you have full awareness of who this person is for you and the aspects you respect about this person, See if you can find the appreciation you have towards this person within you. Appreciation towards anything and anyone begins with respect. When we have respect, we are conscious of our actions and we ensure we don't do anything that would affect our respect towards something or someone. When we combine respect with consciousness of our surroundings and the people around us, we then have a sense of appreciation. When our conscious respect is directed towards everything and everyone, we have a sense of universal appreciation, which will lead to a life of less conflict, both internal and external. At your own pace, bring your attention back into the room. Flex up and point your feet like pushing on a pedal. Gently close and open your hands, and whenever you feel ready, open your eyes. You can practice this meditation focusing on any person you wish, including yourself, especially when you encounter a disagreeable situation. Through finding respect, we find appreciation, and thus it becomes easier to resolve conflict. Congratulations on completing this 10-minute meditation to practice a sense of universal appreciation.